It's happening. Tesla van is finally here. For Tesla, it's van time. Elon Musk has made additional remarks regarding the prospect of a Tesla electric vehicle with a solar-powered foldable top. Tesla's ability to produce an electric van has been debated for years, but CEO Elon Musk just stated that the company will produce one as soon as battery cell supply permits it. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you heard of Tesla's plan for creating a van? How possible are these plans for Tesla? In today's video, we look at some of the plans that the giant of a company has in the field of vans. But first, before we get started with today's video, please subscribe to the channel, post a comment, share the video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. The electric driving revolution is gaining momentum virtually every year, and in an effort to keep up with tightening emissions rules, makers of last-mile delivery vehicles and automobile models are fast lifting their game to introduce electrified vans onto the industry in response to rising demand, which is typically driven by big city centers imposing increasingly strict clean air zones. The capability of what's on offer is expanding as new electric vans hit the market, and it's been a hot issue recently. Several automakers including Ford, GM, and Rivian have developed electric van solutions. As the market for electric vans grow, Tesla does not want to be left out. After all, the car maker is the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer with headquarters in the United States. As a result, Tesla has stated it will produce electric vans. Tesla may very well have a lot on its mind, but it looks like the firm is still looking into new ideas for its product portfolio in the future. A ROBO van is one of them, and it's designed to ease transport for persons with impairments. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is said to have mentioned the ROBO van during the company's all-hands meeting. Aside from the ROBO van's ability to carry huge groups of people, Musk is said to have stated that the future ROBO van would be tailored to meet the demands of passengers with impairments. Unlike typical cars, the Tesla ROBO van can readily accommodate additional equipment such as wheelchairs. This implies that the Tesla ROBO van will be designed for simple entry and exit, making it ideal for passengers who have trouble getting into traditional cars. Automatic air suspension, similar to that employed in the Cybertruck, might be especially beneficial for disabled passengers since it would make it simpler to load and unload objects like wheelchairs from the Tesla ROBO van. Self-driving technology in its entirety. Elon Musk's other firm, Neuralink, is working on a device that would allow a paralyzed person to control a smartphone with their thoughts. People with disabilities benefit from assistive technology because it allows them to be more productive and autonomous. When it comes to goods that are provided to them, there have been a few improvements, and automakers have yet to develop efficient electric vans for individuals with special requirements. However, the majority of electric vehicles on the market offer limited alternatives. People with disabilities, the elderly, those with progressive functional decline, and those with a mental impairment such as dementia can all benefit from the Tesla ROBO van. A normal full-size van can transport up to 12 passengers, but Tesla's forthcoming vehicle may have applications similar to and outside the company's typical client base. Elon Musk's tunneling firm, the Boring Company, for example, has started building loop systems in places like Las Vegas, and so far, the transit tubes can only be able to carry around 4 passengers at a time because of the available vehicles like the Model Y and Model 3, which can only carry approximately 4 passengers at a time. The Boring Company would benefit greatly from a ROBO van capable of transporting a higher number of people since the vehicle would considerably enhance the loop's capacity. Tesla's completely self-driving system will be included in the Tesla van future plans. As a result, a ROBO van appears to be a good fit for the Boring Company's requirements. Boring Company is reported to have considered a people's carrier design comparable to the Tesla ROBO van. While Elon Musk's mention of a Tesla ROBO van may come as a surprise to some, it isn't the first time that the CEO has mentioned a van among Tesla's forthcoming projects. While responding to a query from RBC Capital Markets, Musk stated that Tesla is absolutely going to build an electric van at some point. Musk, on the other hand, stated at the time that while constructing a prototype of the vehicle would be relatively simple, ramping up production would be exceedingly difficult. Musk was questioned about building an electric van again during an interview with Joe Rogan, this time in the perspective of adding solar energy to electric automobiles. Solar energy technology has advanced significantly, and it is beginning to make much sense. Musk was initially opposed to using solar power in cars, but with recent advancements, he began to change his mind and stated that it would be a possibility for the Tesla Cybertrucks. The Tesla CEO now proposes a foldable solar system for a future Tesla electric van. In addition, a solar roof that stretches out from the sides and offers shade even when the car is not in use can be useful. With 3 times the surface area and a large flat area, you can start getting enough sunlight to achieve 30 miles of range per day. Tesla aims to build an electric vehicle, according to Elon Musk, until the company can acquire more battery cell supplies. CEO Elon Musk discussed 2 additional areas where Tesla is seeking to electrify. Aside from consumer automobiles, 2 more types of electric vehicles are to be produced in electric versions, which are heavy-duty trucks and high-density urban transportation vehicles. Both are still in early phases of development at Tesla and are expected to be unveiled next year. Tesla did eventually introduce the Tesla Semi, a heavy-duty truck but no vehicle for high passenger density urban transportation. We anticipate the Tesla Semi will significantly reduce the cost of freight transportation while also improving safety and making it a lot of fun to drive. Musk has mentioned creating an electric minibus centered on the Model X, but it never materialized. There were rumors that Tesla might build a high passenger density urban transportation car for Musk's Boring Company, but the tunnel building firm has insisted but has instead relied on existing Tesla vehicles. Musk also stated in 2018 that it would be fascinating for Tesla to collaborate with Mercedes-Benz on an electric version of their iconic and flexible Sprinter van, but the cooperation never materialized. Tesla will create an electric high-capacity vehicle. According to the CEO, although it will be relying on battery cell supply, the important thing to remember is that battery cell output is essentially limited. If you've never worked in manufacturing, it's difficult to comprehend how difficult this level of production is. It's the most difficult thing on the planet. Prototypes are simple to make. Scaling up manufacturing is a difficult task, said Elon Musk. During the call, the car maker also stated that the Tesla Semi project is experiencing a similar shortage of battery cells. While increasing their own battery cell manufacturing will help, Musk has stated that the Tesla will continue to acquire all of the battery cells they can get from other manufacturers. Tesla's plan to attain 10 GWh of production capacity at its 4680 cell pilot facility in Fremont this year and deploy 100 GWh of manufacturing capacity in Berlin and Texas by the close of next year, according to the company. As we wrap up, Tesla is planning to produce a number of vans like mentioned before. The beauty is the diversification of the products they're going to offer, whether it's a 12-seat commercial electric van, a robo van specialization to cater for people with disabilities, or the van for Elon Musk Boring Company. The bottom line is they are being created with you as the consumer in mind, and they speak some key things in volumes like convenience, luxury, and efficiency. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for your time and attention. What do you think of Tesla's RoboVan? Will solar and electric cars prove to be good and efficient? Will Tesla release these vans before 2024? Comment below, share your opinion. Also, if you're interested in more videos like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. Goodbye.